Hi everyone, today we've got another surprise package and it's the Tisscare foot massager. So let's see how this does. Let's see if it's couple approved. First and foremost, I love the color. Oh yeah, this is really great. Everything looks great so far, but let's try and see. Come to the remote control and then let's see. It can be moved around in a 360-degree direction, which is like really awesome. Now together we're going to try it out.
You will try.
No. Yeah, we're really enjoying this. I think every home should have one or two. Or three. I feel like a glass of wine would be perfect right now. Can you get me one?
Why not you?
Oh no, I can't leave this massager. It's the heating, the speed, the time, the massage direction without even having to move. Right now, I feel like a couch potato. I don't want to leave my couch. I can stay here forever.